Well, alright guys, we just finished packing, and yeah, it's very sad guys. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Mariner of the Seas cruise vlog. This is one of the last ones, guys. And right now we are gonna go head to dinner on deck number 4 for dinner. This is the last dinner of the cruise. Very excited and kind of sad too. But tomorrow we'll be back in Port Town. Hope you guys did enjoy the last episode of the Mariner of the Seas cruise vlogs, as we had a great time. Anyway, I just came from the Florida. We closed it out for the cruise. Anyway, guys, we're still headed to the dinner in deck number 4. Well, alright, y'all, I got in the dining room. It's kind of weird. I'm the only one in here because the door was left open and weird. And yeah, we have like 10 minutes to wait, so it's really awkward. There's like a corporate guy walking around. It's kind of weird. Alright, guys, we got the coconut shrimp here now. I just had a few bites and it tastes pretty good now. It's way better than Navigator. Navigator was really bad and so was Harmony, but it is way better. So, pretty good now. Alright, guys, our main entree is here. It is a cheesy tortellini. I'll let you guys know how I like it right now. Well, guys, that was very good. The cheese tortellini, very good. Super good. I did like it. Tastes like tortellini if you have it. You go buy it at home. Very good. It is time for the best part of the night, dessert. So for dessert tonight, I got the cheesecake, which you're not seeing right now. But right now we have the apple pie, which is the last one of this cruise. Very sad. But yeah, this is all I got for dessert tonight. Well, alright guys, that is it for dinner here in the main dining room. Anyway, guys, it's really sad. This is one of the saddest activities I do here on a cruise, and that is packing, guys. We're going back to the room, and I gotta pack up all my clothes because we are leaving tomorrow. Well, alright, guys, we just finished packing, and yeah, it's very sad, guys. Again, we're heading up to the pool deck to give you guys one last shot around the ship before I head to bed and get off tomorrow in Port Canaveral. Now, we are heading, I believe, 7 knots to Canaveral. And we've been following the Disney Dream, or should I say the Disney Dream has been following us all day as she's making her way back to Port Canaveral. Anyway, I'm going to head back to the pool deck, guys, and here are some last minute shots of Mariner of the Seas.
You got it going on, I'll be there in a heartbeat. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah, I got a love line. And ooh, yeah, got my heart out, and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, cause you know it's good, oh baby.
Well, alright guys, that is it guys for this episode of the Mariner of the Seas cruise vlog series. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button right down below and smash the notifications bell. And if you guys care, please share. And until next time guys, I am Tyler and you are watching Mariner of the Seas cruise vlog series here on The Tyler Show.